What's up guys, you're watching the Seed Show, and if you're new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is CE-32869-4. Could not start the application as the information was invalid. So your application is not working, it's an application problem. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. You must check your application is up to date or not. Here it is, and if it needs to update, you must go to update. Look at that, click the download. It's not going to update it. Firstly you just update it, and after that it will be worked. And if is it not working or not downloading or not going to update, you must check the storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage, so you must make a space in your storage or put an external storage and then download it. And sometimes your system software is not updated, that's why it's not going to support it. So you must update your system software, delete the corrupted file. But what to do, you just simply turn off your PlayStation 4, go to the safe mode. There's a rebuild database. You simply just rebuild database. After rebuilding database, your corrupted file will be deleted and get back it. And then you start download or updating. It will be start updating and it will be fixed. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.